A peaceful night camping in the forest. But for Tom and Jerry, it never lasts long. Is there a monster? He'll never learn.
It's just a hedgehog, friend.
Look at him, he's so scared!
Jerry, help me.
That wind is terrifying! Oh no! The fire is about to go out! Without the fire, it will be very cold.
Gotta move, gotta move! Need more wood. Come on, where is it? Here we go.
Ah!
Eek.
Oh.
This morning at the zoo, Tom was working as a guide. But what happened when Jerry showed up?
Oh!
And as you can see, the monkeys are a fascinating HUD. Wait, what?
Hi! Chirp, chirp!
Tom thinks Jerry is a monkey and decides to teach him a lesson.
What was that?
Jerry runs through the animal enclosures, chasing the monkey, but Tom always misses him. I've got you now, you little scamp!
He's stuck!
Oof!
Here, boy!
Rumble! Jerry, up there! Got him! Woohoo! Drop it! Spluttering! Not top for now!
Oh.
He's behind you! Watch out!
Watch out!
I'm already out of the water!
Come back here, you pesky mouse! I'll get you this time! Look out, Tom!
Jerry, I've got you now! You're slipping, Tom!
Look out!
The more Tom chases, the more trouble he gets into. Squawk, Tom! Tom! And in the end, it seems Jerry is the winner again. Bet you won't take on the screaming serpent! Ha!
Watch me, Toots!
Not so fast, Jerry! Whoever gets in the pool first wins! A challenge? Time for action! Let's do this! Take that, Tom! Head first! They both hurtle off at breakneck speed. Hold on tight!
Oh!
Oh, boy!
I've got you, Jerry. Just hold on. We'll make it.
Thanks.
You did it, little guy!
Uh-uh.